My name is Ron Herman. I work with Gateway Exhibit Services in our city, St. Louis, Missouri. We do trade shows, trade show exhibits, environments, something that's up and coming and something that really helps us out here when we're working on our exhibits, whether they're custom or prefab, is the lighting. And lighting's come a long way. We used to use fluorescent tubes and all kinds of light bulbs and everything to backlight our counters and stuff, but now we have LEDs. And LEDs are great because we can buy them as whatever length we need. We can hook them up. They're color changing, and they really help things out. We got light strips up here that we put in, and connectors here in the corner that we join our tracks, so we can brighten up some of these backlit pieces, and we mount them inside the counter here. And then on this particular unit, we have a piece of milk plex that we're using. And then add for the look we're looking for, we got a piece of this metal extrusion here that we're using. So that's what we got on the inside of this counter here. And then everything just fastens, it's easily accessible. The other thing nice about the LEDs and the trade show exhibits is the lights last much longer. You're not getting called in to change light bulbs constantly. They're a lot more durable, and they're a lot longer lasting. So that's always a real plus when we're working with the trade show exhibits and the cabinets here. So, and then we run our power through the inside around to the back of the counter here. Everything's wrapped around the counter and it comes back inside where everything just plugs up and it's nice and concealed. And you can leave these set inside, or you can just mount them up on the side, whatever works good for your application. Here you can see whatever application that we're using, we can match that color to the background or to the exhibit that we're using them in. It's one thing really nice about the controllers. One of the applications we have is some backlit lighting here, some edge lighting. You can use this behind graphics, you can use this behind monitors and televisions, anything you hang on the wall. We use standoffs here. Makes our fronts on our counters interchangeable and easily accessible. And then we light up the inside. We run a rope around the edge. It gives good vibrant light. The connector at the bottom goes through to the inside of our counter. And then again, these are our color changing lights, so we can match the color that we're looking for. Here on these plexiglass shelves, we wanted to light up the edges. So we took our rope lighting, we ran it across the back with double face adhesive, stuck our lights on, made our connections and our wires, and then that way you have a nice lit edge that penetrates through the plex all the way out to the front edge on these shelves. It lights up everything that's on the shelf as well. Here we got stem lights that can be used on any type of back wall exhibit. Sometimes they have a slide bracket like this one has. Sometimes there's some transition plates here. When we use the stem lights here, we have these transition pieces so we can hook them onto our exhibit extrusions. This is a clip that slides in the bottom of the light. And then this is our clip that goes on to our exhibit. Sorry. And that allows our lights to hang inside our metal extrusions here, and then they would hang down over the top of our exhibits like you've seen in the photo. So I'll put one of our transition pieces on here so we can get this thing hanging up. You see here, it just makes the light work for whatever application you need it for. There's how we use them.